Mount Etna, on the Italian island of Sicily, has once again demonstrated its terrifying power. Europe's largest active volcano reportedly erupted, sending a thick cloud of black ash billowing high into the sky, creating a terrifying scene that gripped the surrounding area. International media reported that tourists near the volcano fled, fearing the continued impact of the increasingly intense eruption. From a distance, the column of volcanic ash appeared to rise like a dark wall, constantly freezing the Sicilian sky. A rumbling sound from within the earth was heard constantly, accompanied by tremors felt in residential areas. Many visitors who had come to enjoy Etna's natural beauty were caught in the emergency situation, triggering panic and spontaneous crying. The Toulouse Volcanic Ash Advisory Center immediately issued a brief warning to airlines. The volcanic ash cloud generated by this eruption is considered hazardous to aircraft, as fine ash particles can damage jet engines and reduce visibility. Several flight routes were reportedly diverted as a precaution. Mount Etna is known as one of the most active volcanoes in the world. However, its activity throughout 2025 is considered exceptional. This giant volcano, over 3,300 meters high, continues to exhibit increased activity, from incandescent lava eruptions and volcanic material ejections to bright lava jets at night, creating a sight both beautiful and terrifying. The Italian National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, INGV, stated that Etna is currently experiencing a very powerful Strombolian eruption. This type of eruption is characterized by repeated explosions that eject molten lava and incandescent material into the air. Experts note that the intensity of these eruptions continues to increase, indicating the still enormous magma pressure within the volcano. Locals who have long lived near Etna have expressed concern. Although accustomed to volcanic activity, the increased intensity of these eruptions raises concerns about the potential for wider impacts, such as heavy ashfall, respiratory problems, and infrastructure damage. Italian authorities continue to closely monitor the situation and urge the public and tourists to stay away from dangerous areas. Mount Etna once again reminds the world that behind its enchanting beauty lies a powerful force of nature that can pose a deadly threat at any time. From the dark silence of space, Earth appears like a wounded living creature. On the surface of Sicily, Mount Etna, an ancient giant that never truly sleeps, finally erupted. Its explosive eruption pierced the night, spewing incandescent lava that flowed like a giant river of fire, blazing brightly enough to be clearly visible from Earth's orbit. From a satellite vantage point, Etna looked like an open, breathing wound. Thick clouds of ash rose high, spreading like a curtain of death across the sky. Flashes of volcanic lightning flashed within the ash column, as if the mountain were creating its own infernal storm. Lava flowed mercilessly, creeping down the slopes, incinerating everything it touched, turning the land, forests, and roads into smoldering memories. This was no ordinary magma eruption. Tremors were felt for tens of kilometers, shaking buildings, shattering the silence of the night, and instilling a deep sense of dread in people's hearts. From space, the red-orange glow of the lava contrasted sharply with the blue of the planet, reminding us how fragile civilization is on Earth's thin crust. Etna, one of the world's most active volcanoes, seemed to be displaying its true power. The river of fire continued to flow, its heat reaching thousands of degrees, enough to melt stone, metal, and hope. Smoke and toxic gases spread, forcing residents to evacuate, while nature reclaimed territory once controlled by humans. As Etna's river of fire continued to flow, the world was reminded of a brutal truth. Humans were merely temporary visitors. From space, this eruption was not a local disaster, but a cosmic message that Earth always has a way of reminding us who is truly in charge.